two, TWO2. 10, TEN10.
Priyanka has an ice cream at second place. She is number 2.
Lily has a flower at fifth place. She is number 5. 11. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 40 and 1 more is 41. 40 and 2 more is 42.
2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Addition of two-digit numbers. Add 8 and 9 in one's digit. We get 17. Write 7 in one's digit. Remaining 1 in tens digit. Already we have one number, that is 1. 1 and 1 is 2. We get 27. Addition. Word problems. Gaurav has 5 oranges. Deepika has 2 oranges. How many oranges they have altogether? 5 oranges. 2 oranges. Add 5 and 2. We get 7 oranges.
Minus 9 is equal to 2. (48) minus 4. Subtract ones. 8 ones minus 4 ones is equal to 4 ones. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Write 4 in ones column. Step 2. Subtract the tens. 4 tens minus 0 10 is equal to 4 tens. Write 4 in tens column. The answer is 44. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8, or 4 into 2 is equal to 8.
Look at the face of a clock. The long hand is the minute hand. The short hand is the hour hand.
Dear children, let us learn about big and small. Big. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Descending order. To arrange from big to small is descending order. Descending order is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let us learn about after. 1 is after 0. 2 is after 1.
45 is between 44 and 46.
1 is equal to 8. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 2 0 is used to say that nothing is taken away. 4 balloons minus 0 balloon is equal to 4 balloons. Rectangle. Square. Circle. Oval.